Good morning, fam. Did you wake up feeling stiff in your lower back, shoulders tight from how you slept, or how you've been carrying stress? This routine will reset the tension where your breath lives, your spine and shoulders. Let's hit the mat. This move is simple, but it holds secrets your spine has been craving. Come down to your knees, set your hips back toward your heels, arms reach long in front. Let your forehead rest. Now breathe deep into the space between your shoulder blades. I promise, just 60 seconds here calms your nervous system, opens your hips, and grounds your breath. Beginners widen the knees for more space. Advanced stretches press the palms into the floor and deepen the reach. Here's a surprising fact. This position activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's reset and restore mode. Hold it for 5 more seconds. Can you melt just a little deeper? Let's rise into strength. From child's pose, glide forward onto your belly. Prop up onto your forearms, elbows under shoulders. Lift your chest gently. Keep your glutes soft. Your lower back doesn't need to be punished to feel better. It needs to be supported. I promise this posture strengthens your lower spine while creating space through your front body. Beginners, keep the chest low. Advanced stretches press into the forearms and lift the rib cage higher without clenching. Don't hold your breath. Let it flow and fill your lower belly. Now challenge yourself. Can you hold your posture for 5 more seconds with complete stillness? That just gave your spine structure. Let's add mobility. Shift up into downward dog, hips high, heels reaching toward the floor. Now slowly ripple forward into cobra. Hips drop, chest lifts. We're flowing here, back and forth, from tension to release. I promise you, this dynamic move lengthens your hamstrings, resets the spine, and opens up the shoulders. Beginners, keep the knees bent in downward dog and elbows soft in cobra. Advanced stretches, try the full transition with slow control. Did you know that this simple movement hydrates your spine by waking up your spinal fluid flow? Yes, your body has its own renewal system. Five more seconds of this fluid wave. Now we're going deeper into the shoulders. Back to all fours, take your right arm, reach it under your body, and twist until your right shoulder rests on the ground. Left hand can reach forward or stay grounded. This is a stretch for the tension you can't explain, the kind that builds up from emotional weight more than the physical. I promise, this move decompresses your upper spine, releases your neck, and opens your thoracic cage. Beginners, rest your head on a block or pillow. Advanced stretches, reach the left arm forward and feel the expansion. Do you feel that yet? That tug in the mid-back? Hold for 5 more seconds. Let's even it out. Now bring the left arm under, sink into the twist, let gravity do the work. Stay with your breath, let it trace the inside of your ribs. I promise, you're not just loosening muscles, you're repatterning posture. Beginners, focus on breath and ease. Advanced stretches, gently rotate your chest toward the sky for a deeper twist. Make this a personal challenge. Can you stay fully present for these final 5 seconds?